Do you think that Constitution of India does not accept principle of strict separation of powers, rather it is based on the principle of checks and balance? Explain. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The separation of powers principle ensures that the legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government operate independently. Although the Indian Constitution does not explicitly mention this doctrine, it incorporates a system of checks and balances to maintain limits on each branch's powers. Body. The checks and balances system prevents power concentration and promotes cooperation among branches, legislative and executive. The President can summon, prorogue, and dissolve Parliament, Article 85. Parliament can impeach the President for constitutional violations, Article 61. Executive and Judiciary. The Executive appoints judges to the Supreme Court and High Courts, Articles 124 and 217. The Judiciary can review the Executive's actions through judicial review, as seen in landmark cases like Keswananda Bharati v. State of Kerala, 1973. Legislative and Judiciary. Parliament can remove judges through impeachment for misconduct. Articles 124 and 217. The Judiciary can invalidate unconstitutional laws passed by Parliament, confirmed in the Keswananda Bharati case. Conclusion. The Indian Constitution's checks and balances ensure that all government branches function effectively and within their limits, maintaining the balance of power crucial for a well-functioning democracy.